Reminder, I take your questions every single day here. Now, a lot of these videos are just topics that pop into my own head or observations I see, but first priority always goes to answer your questions. Here's a question I have for you. Are you answering the questions of people in your industry? Now, you don't have to do it in a video format. You could do it in an audio format. You could do it in a text format. But if you work in any industry, there are people, they're going to be vendors, customers, clients, perhaps investors, who really have questions about what you do. I don't care if you work at Dunder Mifflin and people just want to talk to you about the quality of your paper and how to judge fine paper. Someone needs to know about the stuff you do all day long, because presumably people ask you questions over the phone anyway, or email you questions. So a challenge I have for you is, if you want to help your business and learn presentation skills, why not answer their questions in a video format? I think it is the best format. It's also easier, and let's face it, most of your competitors aren't doing it. I know my competitors aren't doing it, and they're public speaking experts and media experts. So you don't have to do it every day, but maybe you just keep a little folder or a jar on your desk, and you have people put questions in it once a month. You answer them on video. You get to be a better speaker, and your customers, clients, employees learn more about your expertise. I'm TJ Walker. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips on how to be a better presenter, live, in person, or on Facebook video, YouTube video, then go to my website, MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. I'll send you a couple of my books at absolutely no charge.